Ali, careful.
Ay. Careful with your ice creams. Part 4.
Aray pa muna. Pwede na kayo tissue.
We don't have any pamunas or any tissue. Oh, broken house. Where's Papa? Are we close? I think we're close.
Ice cream just
Here's my sister.
ice cream.
Ah, sorry. Amay,
Yan.
I'm perfect. Anyways, are we close yet?
Where are we going?
Yay.
Papa.
Here are we.
Where's Papa?
Alright, Papa's in there. Let's see. Woo.
Sit lang kayo dyan, sit.
Ayun,
Tayo.
My sister. And this is not my vlog. It's my sister's. It's my sister's vlog. Not mine.
Ano yun?
Tour.
Ha?
Pag magpapabuka pa.
I was just holding the camera.
Yan, maaga pala. Buka na kasi pag maaga na. Mababa pa presyo. Pero pag kinabukasan
Ano mga saan ang gusto yung program? Pero mo lang next year. Mga Mayo. Try mo lang ka. Nasa magkalo ka mo? Kung magpapa... Ano ngayon?
I made a circle.
Tanong mo yung info ng one way, two way. Yung bakit. Tapos tanong mo anong diferensya kung ngayon sa
With my Papa.
next year ka magpapaano.
Mama,
Para may idea tayo.
this is the one that we're just gonna go.
You want to at the...
I'm videoing Papa having a haircut. Ketchup. Mama? The playground? Mama, the playground, remember?
Ha?
The one that we saw? Kalimutan mo? Yung playground, yung pinunta natin. Nang naghahanap tayo ng playground, nakalimutan na. Pupunta ba tayo doon o hindi? Ew, your lips.